I'm here with Tim Noggle, Vice President of Sales, and we're talking about DryerSense. With these large desiccant dryers, you just brought this on this year, and can you explain what it does?
Sure. So DryerSense is Novatech's approach to the Industry 4.0 initiative for predictive and prescriptive maintenance on dryer products. We look at both process data and machine data at a component level and apply analytics to look at whether there are issues that need to be addressed with the machines, both electrically and mechanically. And it comes standard on our dryers in the larger sizes currently.
Perfect, thanks Tim. I'm going to turn it over now to Mark Haney, who has been the dryer product manager since 2006. Mark is a recognized leader in desiccant drying and works closely with many of the resin companies on new polymer drying innovations. Mark, what specifically is being measured by DryerSense?
Thanks, Paul. In addition to the approximately 60 alarms and notifications that come through the PLC, we also have additional machine sensors. So the normal alarms in that come through this PLC would include the normal things you'd see, like heater over temperature alarms, filter alarms that filters need to be changed, the rotation in that of the blowers. But beyond that, we've now added sensors to the blowers and through the power monitor in the dryers that allow us to monitor things like the imbalance of a blower. It allows you to know how the bearing health is on the blowers in the system, how the chain drive is operating within the dryer itself. It allows you to check into the heaters and identify, and we'll go over here to talk about that. In this one, you can see the machine sense monitoring here, and here we have the toroids and that are on the power monitor. These do additionally to monitoring the heaters, it tells you the power quality of the system. It'll tell you whether there's surge in high voltages, low voltages occurring, surge and sway of the system. It'll monitor each of the heaters. If a heater fails in this system, typically what would happen if a heater fails, it puts an imbalance on the load. And once you have an imbalance in the load, additional heaters start failing at an increasing rate. And you're able to catch this early in the process, repair heaters when it's convenient to you, and it's not necessarily fixing the heaters when they have to be because you have an outage. So this system allows you to monitor the entire dryer system. It allows you to monitor all the heaters in the central drying system and all the blowers throughout the entire system for all the possible alarms, and not just the alarms that currently, but things that could happen in the future that could cause outages and cause your system to go down.
Thanks, Mark. I have a last question. I know it's available, but how do you get it?
So right now it's available in all of our central dryers from 800 and up, but within the next couple of months, it's going to be available in every product we sell, including our smaller systems. Everything that Novatech sells, you'll be able to monitor from as easy as from your desktop.
That's awesome. Thanks so much, Mark. If you need more information, www.novatech.com.